Hi there, Robert Moody with MarineMax out here at the Dallas Yacht Center. I'm excited to present this used pre-owned 2019 Azimut 43 Atlantis. A Volvo Penta diesel power 400, stern drives, joystick, auto heading. It's got a bow thruster on it too. Less than 240 hours on this boat that's always been right here in Dallas on Lake Louisville, freshwater boat. Great boat for North Texas, whether you're at Texoma, PK, Hubbard, or even Louisville. And why do I like it? It's their sport boat. So you got permanent sun lounges in the back, really convertible here if you really want to lay out. We go to the lake to be outside and have fun. Look at this huge sun pad. There's great storage underneath these cushions on each side. But even better than that, this has a tender garage. This whole aft compartment can lift up. You can put your lily pads, your floats, your noodles, deflate a little dinghy, stick it in there, and look at this massive, beautiful teak swim platform that actually goes down into the water, about 3 feet into the water, so you got your own little floating oasis. So walking into the cockpit, we do have an outdoor kitchen, which is nice. If you want to cook your own lunch, I got a Kenya grill, freshwater sink, refrigerator box here, and even an ice maker. Everything out here in the cockpit. But wait till you see downstairs. I got a full galley downstairs too. But the fun is outside in North Texas, boating. Everybody wants to be here. So great seating all the way around. I can flip my sun lounge headrest back over into aft seating really easy. Now look how many people can sit in the shade. If you need more table space, how nice this beautiful high gloss wood table extends out. Now you're going to fit 6-8 people back here. So coming up to the helm, I got twin dual buckets. Oh yes, the boat does have an AC heater for the cockpit too. There's your controllers for it. But a great dash. Big Raymarine screen. I got a GPS map. You got a transducer for fish finder. You got radar. Volvo Penta gauges on it, and look at that, 238 hours on these diesel engines is nothing. We do have autopilot, auto heading on there with the Raymarine. Azimuts like to use a chain counter, so when you're deploying your anchor right here at the dash, you know how much line or chain, it's all chain, you let out on it. Really cool. This is Volvo Penta, so we got the joystick control for docking. If you just need to bump the nose over, you can activate the bow thruster. Real easy. Move the bow over. Got electric trim tabs on it. All the features that you're going to want to make it easier to drive the boat. And hey, here's something special for the driver. You got some AC blowing on you right there at the helm because you're the captain, right? So keep them happy. But if you like sun, look how big this sunroof is. With the push of a button, you can open or close it. Really nice. Here's a nice little lounge area. That's really headroom. We're going to go back and take a look at the aft stateroom. There's 3 beds back there. It's huge. But you got this convertible. You want a big sun pad up here, you can do that. You want to take that off and use it for storage. You got the nice teak down below. So really great lounge area for some passengers to sit here, get some sun, and still talk to you when you're driving the boat. Let's go downstairs. So as you come down the stairs into the cabin of the boat, a really nice galley. Easy to get to the controllers, to battery switches, 12 volt or 110. Easy to get to. Azimut did a good job. They got the Azimut plates in here and plate holders, which is really nice. They hide their microwave behind the cabinet. Their whole goal here is to keep everything nice and clean when it's closed up. But it does come with the Azimut silverware on it, double electric burner. Great storage under these compartments. They even want to hide the refrigerator, keep everything nice and clean. How is this? So the top section is the refrigerator part. The lower section is your freezer. Good storage actually below there too. And then right around here in the corner in the same area, you do have a nice salon. That is a table. You can loosen it and drop it down, a filler cushion to make that into a bed. I like the big windows everywhere, natural lighting overhead coming in, big windows on the side. Over here on the side, you're going to have more storage. You got your little cappuccino cups because it is from Italy, right? So you got your coffee, other Azimut glasses, more storage, electronics over there. We ordered this boat, again coming in new with the TV package on it, an audio package. So every room's going to have its own TV and soundbar on it. Really nice. So we're going to go forward into the owner suite, which is a centerline bed, which makes it nice. You can get on and off from either side, make the bed real easy. Cabinets everywhere, storage compartments everywhere. And then even a really nice owner suite head with a separate shower. I really like the layout here. Before you go down into the guest cabin, they do have a day head here, which is really nice, and a separate shower as well. And then stepping back, come back into the aft cabin, the mid cabin really, but 3 separate beds on here, 3 twin beds, which is really cool. Again, a lot of storage in the Azimut boat. I mean, if you're a boater, you know you need places to keep all your stuff. That's deep all the way underneath that bed. So here's one bed. I got storage lockers up above, behind the mirror. A lot of storage there too. But look at these 2 twin beds, really cool. You got kids, adult kids, friends. You can leave them separated, or you can pop out that center section and slide them together so a couple can sleep there in a big bed. Big windows, blinds. You can open and close the blinds, twist them just to get the right amount of light in. Again, like I said, every room's going to have its own TV, its own stereo system. They really fitted out this boat with all the options from Sea Ray, how our boaters here in North Texas will want to use them. What a great place to wrap up the video on this Azimut 43 Atlantis is up here on the bow. Look how big the sun pad is up on the bow of the boat. It's massive. You're going to fit 3 or 4 or 5 people up on here. It's nice. It's recessed down, so there's a lot of cushion up underneath here too. You got your massive sunscreen windshield in the front, and look how big that sunroof is. So even though there's people back there, you're up here, you're still talking, hanging out all together. Just a great sport boat to have here in North Texas.